With almost 50 years as a leading skincare expert, the Oriflame name is synonymous with Swedish quality, scientific excellence, natural ingredients, and high performance. Now, we are taking that performance to a new level with the introduction of a new skincare brand built on the latest innovations in science and technology. It will take your business to a new level too. Introducing Novage.
Novage is the results of a unique scientific study we carried out with almost 1,000 women, Age Reflect. What we learned from Age Reflect is that an incredible 4 out of 5 women don't look their biological age. It means that your age doesn't necessarily drive the appearance of your skin, but your skin absolutely drives your perceived age. Novage is a customizable system of targeting skincare range designed to meet your changing needs on the skin aging journey. So Novage focuses on the sign of aging that matter.
So, how does Novage work? Every range is powered by patented and natural technologies which target specific signs of aging. You choose the range based on the aging sign which is your primary concern. Every range is clinically and consumer tested. Novage is your complete customized solution for beautiful skin, whatever your age. The first range to be launched is Novage Ultimate Lift, our high-performance solution for sagging skin.
Ultimate Lift is the result of 7 years work carried out here at the Skin Research Institute, and it's powered by a unique discovery, Aspartolift, a patented technology. Aspartolift targets the fibroblast, the dermal cells producing the skin elastic fibers. What we discovered was incredible. When they age, the fibroblasts are becoming more rigid, less active. But when we treated the cells with Aspartolift, their flexibility and the activity were restored. The cells were truly regenerated. And the regeneration of the cells of the activity has a profound effect, a profound benefit on the skin firmness and the skin elasticity. Ultimate Lift is clinically proven to restore the skin bounce by up to 70% in just 12 weeks for a more lifted and more sculpted look. Ultimate Lift is a real breakthrough in the science of lifting for Oriflame and in the whole skincare industry.
But as with all advanced skincare, the very best results from Novage are not achieved with one product by using the Oriflame Youth Enhancing Skincare Routine. Cleansing and toning dissolves and removes makeup, dead skin cells, and other impurities. This leaves your skin perfectly clean and prepared for the subsequent products. The skin around the eye is special. Eye creams are formulated to deliver just the right amount of performing technology to this delicate area. The lightweight, silky texture of serum absorbs quickly, enabling a high potency of technology to reach your skin cells quickly and efficiently. Day creams contain UV filters to help protect your skin from photo damage, while night creams are extra nourishing to take optimal advantage of nighttime cell activity. Following this simple 4-step, 2-minute routine, morning and evening, enables your skin to be its most receptive to the powerful technologies.
With Novage and the Oriflame Youth Enhancing Skincare Routine, Oriflame is offering a new, powerful anti-aging solution driven by groundbreaking technologies and customized to target specific skin aging signs. The Novage Ultimate Lift Skincare Routine has been made into a set consisting of 6 products, guaranteeing the very best results. It also serves as a fantastic leadership tool, which enables you to grow your business, achieve new results, and of course, get those new titles that you're looking for. That is why we are offering an additional 20% extra bonus points when you and your people are buying the routine in form of a set. But it also serves as a great recruitment tool, because by offering the routine and the set, you are giving your recruits the very best results from Youth Enhancing Skincare Routine. You're also offering the very best value, because by joining Oriflame, your recruits will be enjoying a favorable consultant price. But the most important, is that you're offering the very best start with Oriflame. Because by buying the set and focusing on the routine, the new recruit qualifies for Welcome Program 1, and they will get additional benefits and they will have a prosperous journey in Oriflame. This is an additional opportunity for you to actually start fulfilling your dreams.